Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on .org.es domain contacts in domain contact presets on NameCheap. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner. Now select account and then select profile. Now scroll down till the last, select tools. Now scroll down again, select this manage button. Now scroll down again. And you guys can see this option right here called .org.es domain contacts. Now select this button and fill up all of these details and then scroll down till the last and then select save changes button. And that's how you guys can successfully turn on .org.es domain contacts in domain contact presets on NameCheap. And that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.